Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Script Smasher. So viewers, in this video I will show you how you can create your own AI trading and investment website. So in this video I will give you the complete review of this website, its user panel and its admin panel, and I will show you how you can create this website. So be with us and watch this video till the end. And viewers, this is basically an AI trading website. You can see how amazing its look is. If you also want to make your own AI trading website with our script, you can contact us on WhatsApp or Telegram. Both links are in description. You can contact us and buy this script from us. And if you want us to build this complete website for you, we will build that for you as well. You can just contact us on both WhatsApp or Telegram, and you can contact us and we will build this site for you. So let's start the video without wasting much more time. So first of all, you can see the amazing look of this website. We are on this home page of this website. Each and everything that is on website is changeable. You can change these banners, this line of text, and here you can see there is option to insert apps. So you can put your app over here and user can download your app and also earn money through your app. Here is Telegram. User can go to your Telegram channel. You can add your tutorial. You can add about your website. So here when user will click on this, user can go to your about us section. So here you can see the prices of all the latest prices of different cryptocurrencies, and all these cryptocurrencies were here. And viewers, now let's log into the user panel of this website and let's see how we can use its user panel. So how user can use this website. So I will go to login option, and here this is the login option, so user can enter its detail to log in. So here is a sign up. If user don't have an account, user must have to create an account. So by filling these details, user can create account. So we already have an account, so I will go to login, and here I will enter my username, and here I will enter my password. So now I can log in. So click on login. Here you can see that login successful, and you can see we are on our dashboard, but we will explore it later. So I already as I already guided you about this home page and of user panel. So here is a deposit option, so we'll go to deposit. So from here user can deposit money on this website. So you can see mobile banking or USDT. You can recharge using USDT or mobile banking, both. So here is a USDT gateway. So here you can see you can insert your QR and your address, so user can pay on this address, and after that user can send you a screenshot and you will approve the deposit and the amount will be added to user account. So this is how simple the deposit is. Same is the case for withdrawal. So here's a withdrawal method, so you can select any method for withdrawal and enter your withdrawal details and your withdrawal will be approved in minutes. So here is a trading option, AI trading option. That is a main option here. So this is the AI trading option. So first of all, what user will do is just have to turn on AI trading, and you can see trading starts, and now AI trading has started. So now let me tell you in detail about this. So when user will start trading, admin can set a specific amount, like 2% commission for a day. So this will be on the daily basis. So suppose I have turned it on for 2 days. So now if admin have inserted the commission in positive, so I will get that commission, and if admin can also give user commission in negative as well, so at the end of the day the commission will be added to my account. It can be positive or negative. So it is trading on my balance. So you can see the trade has started successfully. Now we will go to mine section. Here you can see our main wallet has zero amount because we have invested, his money is invested in our trading wallet. So after that the commission, when trade will over, the commission will be added to our account. Here you can see all your details like deposit, withdraw, record of your trading. You can see record over here. So this is all your trading record. So here you can see your total deposits, total withdrawals, total profit of 2 day profit will be added here, and total profit, 2 day profit. Here you can see your account information in this section. Here you can see your referral team. You can also earn money through referrals as well. So you can go to my team, and here is your referral link. You can copy this and make your team to earn more money. Here are withdrawal settings, so you can set up your bank details or whatever USDT withdraw details here. User can download your app, Telegram channel, and same is the about us section. So this is the user panel of this website. Now we will go to the our admin panel, and I will show you how admin can completely control the website win and lose of user from the admin panel. So let's go to the admin panel and let's explore the admin panel of this website. Let me tell you that to make this website you don't need any coding knowledge to control this website or to make this website. You just have to install the script and you can make this website and you can earn money through this. So now let's go and let's see the admin panel of this website. So viewers, here you can see that I'm on my admin login page. Here I have to enter my email and password of admin panel in order to log in. So I already have entered the email and here I will enter my password in order to log in so I can use the admin panel. So click on login and you can see that it has redirected us to the admin panel and we have successfully logged into the admin. So first of all viewers, here you can see admin can see the total users on the website, total active users, total ban user, total profits, total trades, total deposit, pending deposit, withdrawals, pending withdrawals, total running trades on the website, 2-day trades. Each and everything is here and admin can see everything here on the dashboard. So here admin can see all the notifications. Each and every notification will come here and admin can view them. Here are the deposit notifications you can see over here. Here are some other things and admin can basically completely control the website from this section. Let's explore some other things. It is very easy to use viewers, so admin can use it on mobile and control it from its mobile phone. So it's very easy to use and control. You don't need a dedicated laptop to control this website. You can control it from mobile at any time. So here is a trade setting, so you can see set the daily trading bonus from here. So currently there is 2.40 daily trading bonus. So like when trade will over, user will get 2.40% of its total balance. Now it is in positive, but we can make this negative as well. So we can give user negative commission at the end of day as well. So it will be under the hand of admin. Either admin will give the negative commission to user or positive commission to all the users. Here admin can set the trade time. So before that time users can start their trade. Trading pair admin can set from here. Trading images. So these are all the trade settings. So here you can see all the running trades. You can see our own account running trades are here and these trades are over in this section. Here are all the users. So admin can manage all the users on this website. You can see all these users on the website and here you can see the script is hosted on my subdomain demo.scriptsmasher.com. So you can verify this from here and now we can go to details of user. Each and everything detail of user will be under the control of admin. Here you can add balance to user account, you can subtract balance from user account, whatever you want to do you can do it from here. And you can also change the user details, passwords, KYC verifications. You can manage those things from here. Here are the user options. So similarly I already told you about the users and active users, deactive user. You can see KYC settings. You can do KYC settings, request. Here is a manage referral option. So you can set multiple levels of commission on referral from here and currently there are 3 levels of commission, but you can make as many as levels you want. Here's a withdrawal section, so you can make a withdrawal methods from here. Currently there are 3 withdrawal methods you can see and you can edit them, or if you want to create a new withdrawal method of your own, you can make the new withdrawal method by filling these simple details and you can make the withdrawal method from here. Similarly, you can approve or reject a withdrawal request of users. So when user will request a withdrawal, they will come here under pending withdrawals. So you can approve them or reject them. So you can see all accepted, rejected withdrawal in here in this section. Here is same case with deposit. You can make deposit methods. So there are 4 deposit methods currently there are, but you can create as many as deposit methods you want from here by filling these simple details. You have to insert the gateway name, QR code and some other things and you can make withdraw method on your website easily. So here are pending withdrawals, accepted withdrawal, rejected withdrawal, and all withdrawal details are here. So here are general settings options. So first let me convert it to desktop mode, because so it will display clearly. So here you can see there are deposit settings. So now here you can see there are deposit settings. Same, you can create deposit method, pending deposit, you can approve or reject the withdraw deposits. Here you can see all accepted deposits of different users, so you can view them over here in this section. So similarly, here are general settings options. So let's go to general setting, and from here basically you can change the website name, website currency, the things that are on the home page of website, icon of website, logo of website, you can change them from here. Sign up bonus and different things you can change them from here. And you can basically use it in any of the currency or any other cryptocurrency you want to use. Here are global SEO manager. You can manage SEO of your website. You can manage email settings from here. And this is a front end setting. Basically, as I told you, each and everything that is on the home page is controllable from the admin panel. So from sliding banners, etc., you can manage the sliding banners. So there are two banners. But if you want to insert multiple banners, you can insert banners from here. Similarly, everything that is on the website, notice board, links, banners, section, etc., all these things are changeable. And basically you can change each and everything you want to change. So this is how you can manage everything from this section. So you can manage all these things from here. And viewers, in this video I guided you about everything related to this website. Now if you want to buy this script, or if you need the complete end-to-end ready website, you can contact us and we will build this site for you. Thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel.